Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
For number 1, my family and
My family and and some and visited the latest.
My family and I visited the latest
yes.
theme park in Malaysia and bought my younger sister her very own camera.
Yes, the correct
And that
answer
makes
is
it
number
number
1. Yes. My
And then
family and
for
I, not my family and me, okay? This is the subject
yeah,
pronoun, so you have to say my family and I. And how about number 2?
The student whose older brother is serving in the
okay, so the student
Yes,
older
the
brother
answer
is
is
serving in the army looks for
the weekends when his brother is home.
okay. So the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4.
3.
3, whose brother? Okay. I also want you to be aware of look forward to. Look forward to plus noun phrase. Look forward to the weekends. Okay. And how about number 3?
The security guard inspects the entire school compound before picking up for the day.
Uh-huh.
Doesn't he?
Yes, doesn't he? Yes, the correct answer is doesn't.
doesn't
Okay, tag
he?
question.
Not
Okay, number 4.
only did she bake this
He
birthday cake, she also delivered it to my
house
house.
last evening.
Yes, the correct answer is number 2. Not only did she bake the birthday cake, okay? Number 5.
Not
Not one of the
current
students have
students
heard of the
the
bus principal of the school.
at school.
1, 2, 3, 4. Which one?
3.
Yes, 3. Not any of the current students has heard of the first principal of the school. Number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Number 6.
Every New Year at our Chinese New Year, we
With our relatives, my eldest uncle will
eldest uncle will insist
insist on paying for the meal at the restaurant.
Yes, insist on. Okay, the phrasal verb insist on paying for the meal at the restaurant. Number 7.
The number of teenagers enrolling for the young
has risen since.
Yes, the number of teenagers. Do you remember last week we did that exercise? The number of versus a number of, right? Okay, so the number of teenagers. The correct answer is number 2 has risen. Okay, how about number 8?
Number 8.
Should you need to see the dentist?
Should you need to see the dental nurse? Please take note that
she's on duty on Mondays and Wednesdays. The teacher announced.
It's number 4. If should.
Yes, should. Number 4, should. It is the same as if, right? Conditional pattern. If you need to see the dental nurse. So the correct answer is number 4. How about number 9?
The prefects help. Regardless, the prefects help. The Christmas gift packs could not be packed in time for the distribution.
I think it's despite the
Yes,
prefect.
this is despite, not regardless. If we use regardless, we have to say regardless of. Okay, go to. We need of if you want to use regardless of the perfect help. But here there is no of, so you have to choose despite. Despite the perfect help, the Christmas gift packs could not be packed in time for distribution. Okay, so the correct answer is number 1, because there is no of. Okay, go to. Got it? Number 10.
The backpackers had.
Little money left and could not afford the next destination.
The correct answer is
Little.
Little. Number 3, little. Okay, few is for countable and little is uncountable. Okay.